What's going on, traders? It's post-market hours here on a hump day, and we're recapping how President Trump's epic State of the Union address from last night landed in today's markets. The nearly 2-hour economic victory lap, tariffs as the ultimate cash cow, stock shattering records left and right, gas prices cheaper than a clearance sale, and a killer retirement match announcement kept the vibe bullish and mostly green. Futures were steady to higher overnight. The regular session delivered solid gains, and after hours is buzzing on NVIDIA. Here's the punchy breakdown with some laughs to keep viewers glued because sleepy trading recaps are for amateurs. The U.S. indices. The bulls partied hard today. NASDAQ led the charge like it owned the place, surging nearly 1.3% to close around the 23,150 level on tech strength and those subtle AI energy cost nods from the speech. The S&P 500 climbed about 0.8% to 6,950, up 56 points, while the Dow Jones added roughly 0.6 to 0.7%, up 300 plus points to around the 49,500 level. Trump's flex on 53 all-time highs since election, the Dow heading 50,000 early, the S&P at 7,000, and pumping up 401ks pensions for millions. Well, that was rocket fuel for sentiment. The new government matched retirement initiative up to $1,000 a year for lower-income workers without employer plans fueled dreams of bigger inflows. And tariffs got a robust defense, hundreds of billions in revenue. Jobs exploding, potential income tax replacement someday? That would be nice, wouldn't it? Supreme Court ruling called unfortunate, but markets basically shrugged like, cool story, we're rallying anyway. Pure pro-growth, confidence booster, indices roared in response. What about Forex? Forex majors. Well, the dollar took a relaxed siesta, modest dip as tariff talk stayed chill, no fresh trade war drama. Trump stressed countries and corporations eager to keep deals to skip worse outcomes, so risk stayed balanced. The euro-US dollar currency pair edged higher towards the 1.18 level. The British pound-US dollar pair held strong around the 1.35, 1.36 level. The US dollar-Japanese yen pair eased a bit as yen grabbed some safe haven air. The dollar index slipped around 0.3%. No crazy volatility to speak of in the USD CAD or the AUD USD pairs. The greenback basically whispered tariffs. We've danced this tango before, so let's keep the party going. Low drama majors, perfect for steady positioning. What about gold and silver? Well, the safe haven stayed hot and spicy. Gold inched up to modest levels of 5,200 to 5,214 zones, up about 0.5 to 0.8%, holding firm on lingering tariff geopolitical vibes. Iran warnings in the mix. And a softer dollar support. Silver? Well, it was an absolute monster, surging up to 4% at peaks, blasting above $90, trading around that 90.5 level, and even hitting highs over the $91 mark. So supply deficits, trade jitters, and a hedge demand turned silver into the volatile rock star, basically screaming, inflation? Plummeting? We'll take our shine and run with it. Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin, you wild high beta beast, you. It bounced like crazy, surging past the 65,000 level to hit over $70,000 at one point. So risk on, glow from stock gains, weaker dollar, and roaring economy optimism, cheap gas under $2.30, lower egg beef prices, oil production booming, poured straight into crypto. There was no direct crypto mention in the speech, but the pro-growth hype acted like free afterburner fuel. Bitcoin high-fived the rally and yelled, hey, hold my beer, I'm mooning. So just as a quick wrap-up, Trump's State of the Union was pure bullish America First energy. Terra defense kept trade exposed assets on their toes, but equity love, retirement boosts, and zero surprises dominated. Indices rallied on confidence. Forex was tame. Metals firm. Silver stealing the show, of course. Bitcoin bouncing hard. Tariff rhetoric lingers as volatility wildcard, but today's green action, plus NVIDIA's beat and raise after hours pop, screams optimism heading into tomorrow. So trade sharp, crack those jokes on the dips, and stay green because when the market's roaring this loud, your portfolio had better be roaring louder. Don't forget to check me out tomorrow live at 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time at Trade Like a Tiger on YouTube. Peace, love, and chicken grease.